I have been making pawpaw for years, but this time I tried something different. I added oatmeal, and let me tell you, it turned out so fluffy and delicious. If you are looking for a healthier way to enjoy your pawpaw, you will love this recipe. This is one of the best pawpaw recipe you will find online today. Perfect for breakfast, snacking, or serving at events. Kindly stay tuned. Let me show you how I make this delicious pawpaw. To make this healthy pawpaw, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar. We need instant yeast, nutmeg. Then we have our melted butter. Okay, in a clean bowl, I'll go ahead and add the already sieved flour. Okay, I'll go in with the sugar, then some nutmeg, then I'll go in with the yeast. Here we have our oatmeal, which is the twist for this recipe. We go ahead and blend the oatmeal into powder. You can use it like this, or if you have the powdered one, you can use it. Okay, I'm done blending, and the next thing I will do is to add all the ingredients together and give it a mix. All right, if I were you, I will not skip any part of this video. I will watch to the end to see how this oatmeal pawpaw turned out. I noticed the bowl was too small. I had to change it to a bigger bowl. Okay, right now I'll go in with the wet ingredients. I'm going in with the egg, then I'll go in with the melted butter. I'll give this a good mix. After mixing together, then I will introduce my warm water. If you notice, I did not proof my yeast. That is because I have been using this brand of yeast for a very long time, and it has never for once disappointed me. It's a good yeast, so I don't need to prove it. But if you know that you are not sure of the yeast you are using, and you can prove it before using it to make your pawpaw. All right, so I'm adding the warm water gradually. For this recipe, you don't need to add all your water at once. Gradually add it and mix. Okay, mix it very well. If the water is enough, you will know. If it's not enough, you add another one. Okay, don't pour all the water at once, just like I've seen in the video. Make sure you mix it very well, and I think this is the consistency I'm looking for. It's just okay like this. Whenever you are making your pawpaw, don't add too much water, because when this pawpaw double in size, it will be watery. So for that reason, you add little water, just like you are seeing. This consistency is very perfect. So right now I'll cover this to proof for some minutes before frying. If you have watched this video up to this minute, kindly like, comment, and share to your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's check out this pawpaw. Let's see if it has proven or not. Oh, this is amazing. The next thing I will do now is to fry this pawpaw. Kindly stay tuned. Today is your first time of coming across my video. I welcome you to Benninice kitchen. Kindly like my video, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel for amazing recipes like this. So my amazing subscribers, thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. I'm grateful. So guys, gradually cut your pawpaw into the hot oil. Then when one side is brown, you flip to the other side. Can you see how amazing this oatmeal pawpaw is looking? Could you be trying this oatmeal pawpaw recipe? This is so easy and delicious, and it's so healthy also. So if you are looking for a healthier way to eat your pawpaw, I think this is the best way to do that, by adding oatmeal to your pawpaw. Okay, and if you don't want this type, you can actually do only oatmeal pawpaw. Can you see how amazing this is looking? If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. Let me know your thoughts about this oatmeal pawpaw in the comment section. Thank you for staying tuned to this time. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.